Lake Baikal, located in Siberia, Russia, is the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake, as well as the largest by volume. Here are some key details about this remarkable natural wonder. Key facts about Lake Baikal. Volume and depth. Holds 23% of the world's unfrozen freshwater, about 23,615 cubic kilometers. Maximum depth. 1,642 meters, 5,387 feet, making it the deepest lake on Earth. Average depth, 744 meters, 2,442 feet. Age, estimated to be 25 to 30 million years old, making it the oldest lake in the world. Size, surface area, 31,722 square kilometers, 12,248 square miles, larger than Belgium. Length, 636 kilometers, 395 miles. Width, 79 kilometers, 49 miles, at its broadest point. Biodiversity. Home to over 3,700 unique species, 60% of which are found nowhere else, e.g., the Baikal seal, or Nerpa. The water is exceptionally clear, with visibility up to 40 meters, 130 feet, in some areas. Water purity. Fed by 330-plus rivers and streams, with the Selenga River being the largest contributor. The lake's oxygen-rich water supports life even at great depths. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Designated in 1996 due to its ecological significance and unique natural features. Threats and conservation. Faces environmental challenges from pollution, climate change, and industrial activity. Protected under Russian law, but conservation efforts remain critical. Here's a deeper dive into Lake Baikal's unique features, cultural significance, tourism, and scientific importance. Geological wonders. Rift Lake Formation. Baikal lies in the Baikal Rift Zone, where the Earth's crust is slowly pulling apart, causing the lake to widen by about 2 centimeters, (0.8 inches), per year. Ice phenomena. In winter, the lake freezes with transparent ice forming surreal patterns, while methane gas bubbles create frozen, ice sculptures. Unique biodiversity. Endemic species. Endemic species. 1. Baikal seal, Nerpa, the world's only exclusively freshwater seal. Omul fish, a delicacy and key part of local diets. Apiscura baicalensis, a tiny crustacean that filters the lake's water, keeping it pristine. Deep sea life. Hydrothermal vents support organisms similar to those found near ocean ridges. Cultural and spiritual significance. Sacred to indigenous peoples. The Buryat people revere Baikal as a living deity, calling it Baikal Dali, sacred sea. Shamanistic traditions. Olkhon Island, the lake's largest island, is a center of shamanism, with rituals performed at Shaman Rock. Russian folklore. Legends speak of a dragon of Baikal and hidden gold from the Mongol Empire. Tourism and activities. Summer. 1. Hiking the Great Baikal Trail, kayaking, and swimming in crystal clear water. Visiting List Vyanka village for fish markets, try smoked omul. Winter. 2. Ice skating, dog sledding, and driving on the thick ice. Locals mark safe routes. Photography tours for the famous ice cracks and bubbles. Must-see spots. 3. Olkhon Island, cliffs, dunes, and spiritual sites. Circum-Baikal Railway, a scenic historic train route along cliffs. Scientific research. Climate studies. Baikal's sediments preserve a 25 million-year climate record, helping scientists study past environmental changes. Space analog. NASA and Russian agencies test equipment here due to its extreme conditions, similar to extraterrestrial ice worlds. Neutrino telescope. The Baikal GVD detector studies neutrinos deep underwater. Environmental threats. Pollution. Industrial waste from the Selenga River, e.g., Mongolia's mining, threatens water quality. Invasive species. Alien algae, e.g., Spirogyra, disrupt ecosystems. Climate change. Warmer temperatures reduce ice cover, endangering species like the Nerpa. Fun fact, if all the rivers on Earth flowed into Lake Baikal, it would take almost a year to fill.